Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been ignoring you guys for a while. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I just had other things on my plate. But all that matters now is that I'm back and I'm about to show y'all how I go from, well, it's not fixed, but how I go from scraggly to human. Scraggly to human. Scraggly to human. Eyebrow tutorial. The things you're going to need is your regular eyebrow junk, as I call it. Eyebrow junk in an angled brush. I have Q-tips and Nair. Yes, I do my eyebrows with Nair, but I feel it's much cost effective and I feel that it does the job better than the Chinese women that do it. Also, you're going to need a wet rag. Make sure it's a cool wet rag, because make sure it's a cool wet rag. Alright, so let's jump right into it. So, what you're going to do first is you're just going to do your eyebrows like you normally do them. Do my eyebrows so weird, but you'll see. Sorry for the light washing me out, and my mirror is right above, so if you see me looking up, I'm gonna always just I gotta remember. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna draw my eyebrows in like I normally do, but what I do is I make it slightly smaller than how I want it to be. Oh no, I make it slightly bigger than how I want it to be, and then when I put the nail on, I'll show you. So we just start drawing our eyebrows. Draw the base in. Make it look all schmexy. Draw it. Well, have it at the top. Draw the base in. And then I always go up too high whenever I draw my arch, but I always fix it later. So then I'm just gonna round it and bring it down. Then I'm going to do the top. I do the top lightly because, yeah. Then I do the top. Make sure your eye is relaxed. It's going to come out looking crazy. You're going to have one eyebrow all the way up here and the other is going to be flat. Get where I'm coming from. I don't fill them in. Wait. I don't fill them in because what's the point of filling them in? And I'm just going to take them off anyway. You get me? So you just do the top how you normally do it. And if you want, you can enclose it and make it like this square. You can just do that so it can be a full square eyebrow. This is how my eyebrow is going to look. Then, what you do is you take a Q-tip and pull. A little bit of Nair on it. Warning. Bye. Warning. Do not do this at home, or if you know what you're doing, if you feel like you know what you're doing, do it at home. If not, don't do it at home. Don't call me or be all in my inbox like, oh my god, I burnt my eye. I've been doing this for years now, ever since I saw a YouTube tutorial on how to do it. I've been doing it and it's been working perfectly for me. I like the eye, so I don't know. So then what I do is I take this under. Do not rub it in. Do not rub it in, because it's not going to end well. So I take it right under the line and I push it up slightly on how thin I want my eyebrows to look. I pat it. I don't rub it. I pat it to get all the hair off. sometimes I go slightly above the line, sometimes I stay on the line. It don't matter. Again, this is how I personally do it. Disclaimer, this is how I personally do it. If you're not confident in it, I will come to your house and do it for you. But do not fuck up your face because you saw somebody on YouTube do it. I'm not taking liability for that. So anyway, just pat it in. Make sure you get all the hair. Make sure you get all the hairs under your eye. All the hairs that you don't want to be there, off. Again, do not rub it in. Take the clean side of the toothpick. You just take off what you feel like you messed up. So now I'm going to do the top. Always make the top slightly smaller than everything else because I like thin eyebrows so that when I draw them in, they can look like human, normal human. Does that make sense? What was hiding this damn thing? Just wipe it off and just put on some. And then I add it down. Again, do not rub it in. Pat, 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 pat. I want it thinner. I want that part thinner, yeah. Also, if you're about to go out, make sure you do this, I'll say about 20 minutes before you go out. That way it can reduce the redness. Because I'm not sure if you can see it. You can see it's slightly red over here. So then make sure you do the front so they can be nice and nice. I don't have a clean side, so I'm just gonna take. There we go. There we go. Even though I know my eyebrow doesn't come all the way down to this point right here, my eyebrow maybe comes to about there. I know it doesn't. I always draw it longer. Don't ask me why. I don't know. It's just like something I've always done. So let me give you guys a close-up of what it looks like. It looks like that. Remember, don't pat it in. Disclaimer, this is dangerous. Also, if you have little kids running around like I currently do, make sure they are not in the vicinity because they will try it. Little kids are curious. If mommy does it, why can't I do it? Because little person is dangerous. But anyway, you do that. Now on the package, on the narrow thing, it says leave it on for 3 minutes. But it's your face. Why would you leave it on for 3 minutes? No, we're not doing that. I'm not sure if I told you. Make sure you have a thing. Damp wash rag, a towel, or shirt, something, a damp cloth. There we go. So, let it sit. When you feel the slightest tinge, you're going to take it, you're going to close your eye. You're going to take it, lift it up, and pull. See, it's coming off. Oh, yeah. And pull. You see all the hair coming off. You see it looking nice. If you just got it waxed by one of the Chinese ladies. Again, I've been doing this for years. So I'm able to do it without, I'm not going to say without mistakes, because everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has those big Hannah Montana throwback. But, what I like to do is I like to go both ways. I like to straighten it and go both ways. I'll show you what to do if you make a mistake. Mistakes are easily fixable. So after you do that, you're going to go up right on the edge. And you see how I made the edge much sharper and much neater? Then you're going to take it and go from the top over. Don't do it that way unless you know what you're doing, like I do. But do not do it that way. I do it that way because I'm not coordinated enough. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm not coordinated enough to take from the top. Take it, do that, and then what I like to do is I just like to go through all of it and make sure it's all out, because we don't want no mistakes. And look, you got a nice thin eyebrow that when you draw in, oh bitch, that's your eyebrow when you draw it back in. It's about to be cute. Now, like I said, mistakes. Y'all can see that? Y'all still see the hair and that like that? And yes, I told you it's gonna be what is it? It's gonna be redness because it is on your face and it's too strong for your face. But I do it anyway because I'm a rebel without a cause. But yeah. But anyway, mistakes like that are easily fixable. All you do is go back in. Look it up. Go back in with a little bit. You see it? Not good for the camera, but you know what I mean. Go back in with a little bit and then make sure whatever you're using is not touching it. And just fix the mistake. All you gotta do is fix the mistake. Oh, while you're there, I'm just gonna sit down here. It's gonna burn slightly because you just took some off, so it's like putting it back on. You can use a softer one, but I just tend on using this one because I noticed that it gets it done. And then like I made a mistake on this side, so I'm just gonna go back in slightly. Let that sit, not even a minute and a half. Let it sit for a minute, tinge, and pull. Bam. Again. Alright, I'm going to show you the way you're supposed to do it. This way. Because if you do it downward, if you do it this way, you risk putting it in your eye. And I don't want anybody, again, to sue me. And make sure, don't press hard because it's going to be irritated because you just did them. So don't press hard. Oh, I forgot I said over here. Don't press hard because that's how the irritation happens. And then the burn will go away. So that, people, is how I fix my bushy man eyebrows. I'm coming back to you for showing you how I make my man eyebrows look hot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave some comments on how I can improve it. I'm always willing to learn. Thanks, people. Welcome back. Thank you for having me back. Have a great